हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ओके, देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, सोन अरेंजमेंट एक्सपेरिमेंट है मीटर ब्रिज इफ ए सी इज द करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द नल पॉइंट ऑफ गैल्वेनोमीटर इज एक्स, राइट। इसमें नल पॉइंट ए सी जो है, राइट, इज करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द नल डिफ्लेक्शन। आई मीन यहां पे अभी करंट फ्लो नहीं कर रहा एंड वैल्यू एक्स है। फिर बता रहा है व्हाट विल बी इट्स वैल्यू इफ द रेडियस ऑफ वायर ए बी इज डबल्ड। अगर ए बी का रेडियस डबल कर दें तो x की वैल्यू में क्या चेंज आएगी, राइट। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। सो नाउ यू कैन सी सिंस द करंट इस गैल्वेनोमीटर से करंट अगर फ्लो नहीं कर रहा, इसका मतलब व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज बैलेंस्ड है। सो आई कैन से फ्रॉम हियर, सो लेट अस टेक फॉर दिस केस नाउ, सो लेट अस टेक द रेजिस्टेंस पर यूनिट लेंथ हियर इज RL. Okay, so Wheatstone bridge is balanced, so I can say from here R1 upon the resistance of this part is RL into X. RL into X is equal to, right, R2 divided by let us take the length of this is 1 meter. Okay, so this will become 1 minus X into RL, that is resistance per unit length, RL. So you can see here RL will get cancelled out from this side. So from here I can say R1 upon R2 is equal to X upon 1 minus X. So this equation I got from the first one. Now it is saying, I mean before making the radius double. Now after this the radius is doubled. Now we have to find the new value of X. So let us assume the radius of this wire is doubled now, and since so if the radius is double, so it will have the impact on resistance. So it will have the impact on resistance per unit length also. So let us take the new resistance per unit length is R dash L. Now once again Wheatstone bridge is balanced, so let us write the equation for new situation, right? So I am writing the equation now for new situation now. So once again Wheatstone bridge is balanced, so RL divided by the resistance of this will be RL dash, and let us take for the new case, this is X1 I am taking, right? Okay, so this will become R dash L into X1, and once again this will become R2 upon this will become 1 minus X2, resistance of this is R dash L. So from here this again will get cancelled out, and here I am getting R1 upon R2 is equal to X1 upon 1 minus X2, right? So this is the equation 2. Now if you'll see in both the equations the left hand side is equal, so the right hand side will also be equal. Now if we'll compare these two equations, so I can say the X is equal to X1. So on comparing equation 1 and equation 2, I can say X is equal to X1, right? So let us see, so what will the value if the radius is double? So once again the new AC will also be X only, right? So answer is X. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.